Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back to the video. So now we're going to get into my first impressions of the iDiskk E11. Or I said that backwards. The iDiskk E11A Active Noise Cancellation Truly Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Alright, so I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the first portion of the video where I went through a real quick unboxing and feature rundown of the headphones. Now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give my overall first impressions with the headphones. All I've done is charge up the headphones to 100%, and then I box them back up so we can go through the unboxing experience together so you guys and gals can see exactly how they come out of the box and what comes with them. Alright, so now let me try these on. Now first impressions of the headphones, I have to say they are very plasticky. I'm not a fan of that big plasticky design, and I'm not a fan of the swiveling air cup design as well, but I do appreciate the fact that they don't fold, so they do stay all in one piece. The only thing that moves is the swiveling air cups, and they are fully adjustable as I showcased earlier, so I should easily be able to get a nice solid fit. Also, I am a big fan of the physical clicky tactile buttons here, and the 3.5mm headphone jack as well, which is right down there. should easily be able to use these with a 3.5mm aux cable. And I do like the fact that they include one. I don't appreciate the fact that it's silver plated. If it was gold plated, you'll get much better sound quality, but it is what it is. Let me try these on now, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So, putting them on my head, oh wow, getting a nice solid fit here. Oh yeah, I can barely hear myself talk at all. Quick shake test. Oh, they're on there nice and solid. They're not moving around, and I hope I'm not yelling because I can barely hear myself talk. But first impressions of the overall fit and feel of the iDiskk E11A truly wireless ANC headphones, it does seem to be top notch indeed. Okay, so good stuff there. Now real quickly, let me go ahead and take some photos for everyone. This way y'all can see what the profiles look like. We're gonna do a front profile and a side profile. Which device do I want to use today? Let's use the Pixel 6a to get these profiles in. Let's do this. So let me unlock the device real quick and take these samples real quick. Let's go. So real quick front profile here. Oh yeah, these look pretty good. These look pretty good. Okay, real quick side profile for one side. And let me get the other side here. Okay, let me see what that looks like. Oh yeah, minimal company branding on here. Not bad at all. Let me show y'all real quickly here. So here's the front profile. Okay, you know, DJ style, typical Bluetooth headphones here. Here's one side. And there's the other side. So not bad at all. Okay, let me go ahead and take them off now. And we'll wrap the video up. So first impressions of the iDiskk E11A truly wireless ANC Bluetooth headphones. It seems to be really good. Now I gotta tell y'all, when this showed up in the catalog for a review request from the Amazon Vine program, and I saw the specifications and the battery life, I was like, oh yeah, go ahead, send them on down. I'll go ahead and put these through its review process. And so I'm gonna be really interested to see how these headphones pair up to another pair of headphones that I just finished doing coverage on, especially considering that they are very similarly priced and they basically have the same overall feature set. The only difference between these headphones and the headphones that I just got done taking a look at is that the other headphones did incorporate a version of waterproofing. These do not. But other than that, the pricing is very similar and the overall feature set is very similar. So I'm really excited to take a look at these headphones and run through the review process on them for everyone. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, this is an Amazon Vine product. So that does mean that this came into the channel free of charge thanks to the Amazon Vine program. And that does mean I will have to go ahead and do my written review of the headphones first, so you guys and gals can know when the video coverage is gonna start dropping. When you see my written review for these go up on Amazon, then you know that my video coverage for these are gonna start dropping on the YouTube channel. So if you follow me on Amazon and you see this written review go up, then you be like, okay, he's getting ready to do the video coverage next. Okay, but being as this is an Amazon Vine product, it's only right that I go ahead and do the written review first before I go ahead and drop the video coverage. It's only right. Okay, so that being said, that does it for today's video here today. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And it shows YouTube to recommend my videos to more people that may be interested. So if you enjoyed the video and you find it helpful, please help me out by giving the video a thumbs up. That being said, if you guys and gals would like to see more coverage like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it. If this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these headphones for yourself, all the links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these headphones at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. Down below in the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning if you guys and gals make your purchase using those affiliated buy links, I will get a small percentage of kickback or commission that I do put directly back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated buy links, in my opinion, are a win-win for everyone, and that makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals. That being said, today's video was recorded using the ultra-wide camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. It was being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. Also let me know what you think of the overall audio quality. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. Also, lighting up the scene here today, I am using my professional studio lights, so please let me know what you think of the overall lighting as well. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright. I am super duper excited to take a look at these. I am kind of bummed out that they don't have waterproofing, but another really solid, inexpensive pair of truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds with full features minus the waterproofing and dual connectivity. Oh yeah, I'm super excited about these. Have a good one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.